This is the frost glass effect. Apple uses it, every premium editor uses it, and everyone thinks it takes Photoshop, a $60 plugin, and a Fusion PhD. Nope, it only takes one plugin and 30 seconds. And I am about to show you how you can make this fastest glass effect you have ever seen for your videos. Let's go. Now let me show you how you can download this. Just go to the website that you can find in the description of this video, or you can click right here. I have listed some of my plugins. A lot of them are free, some are paid, and I have some project files that I work on as well, so you can get those if you want to. As you can see here, the Apple Frost glass effect is here. You can just add to cart or click here and buy it from here. It works on DaVinci free as well as on the studio version. Now just download this and you will get this in your email. You can download it from here and you will have it in your download folder, and a pop-up will appear here. I'm not going to install it because I already have it there. Then you have to just open effects, go in generator. You can either search or you can just open this, go in Resolve Collective, and you will find this. Just put it upon your clip and boom, here you have a working glass effect. Now I'm going to explain to you how you can use the inspector tab to control this. It is actually pretty simple. You can just see, you can control the shape from this, and you can change the angle, you can change the size, plus you can keyframe them, so everything can be keyframed. Okay, then you also have the option to change the width and the height. Then you have the header control, which is, let me reset them. If you want this black header on your video, you can change the opacity. It will be more prominent or less prominent according to you. Plus you have the X control and the Y control for this. It's simply a block, so you can change it like this. Then you also have the width and the height control. Okay, and you can also change the color of this to whatever color you like. If you want it red, you can change it to red, as you can see here. Plus you can also change the glow from this side. Similarly, you have the opacity control here, plus the soft edge. You also have the color control. Let's turn this red as well. Okay, and let's use this one for the alpha. Let's change the opacity a little bit of this. Okay, and you can see the glow is also here. You can change the glow settings and glow height. Now let me teach you how you can change the displacement. First, if you want to change it into a frosted glass, right now it is just having a little bit of rim around it. You can change it just by increasing the blur strength. But if you want a little bit of lighting around the rim, just change the height. You can change the diffraction, you can change the spread and light power to have those. Okay, similarly you have custom control. Custom control is simply the inner side of the rectangle that we have here, like something like this. Okay, you have full control over it. I have it on 0.6. You can change it to 1 if you have a simple video. Then you have the chromatic control. If you want a little bit of bluish and the reddish and all those FFB chromatic controls, just you can use that. Or you want to increase the little bit of the fallout, you can change the fallout gain even. Okay, then let's move to the text. It is simple actually. Mainly you have the text here, font and every control that exists here on this. Okay, then you have the transform for these text. Okay, as you can see, you can change it if you think it is a little bit lower or bigger or anything like that. Okay, then you also have the glow control. Here you can see, if you want to make it a little bit glowing, you can change that. Okay, now when we are done with the header, we can control it, or if you want to remove the header completely, just remove the text. Okay, then similarly we have the same setup here with two exceptions, because I am lazy. I need these animated when I am making. So you can either change the speed from here. You can see it will automatically change the speed of the bouncy text that is coming up. Okay, or You want to change the glow, you can change the glow, you can change the threshold, you can change the threshold, size. Okay, plus you have all the text control. You can just right click here. If you want to make a custom one for yourself, like you want to make a different type of follower, let's say you don't want the bouncy effect, you want something simple, so you just turn it off. Click here, follower, take it to fusion, and here you can change it, increase it a little bit, and do what we do with the follower mainly. So this is it guys, you can go download it from the description. If you like the video, please leave a like. If you want me to keep making these stuff, leave a comment. Have a good day. See you guys.